Hi, my name's Drew with BMC Boats, and we're here today to launch and run the brand new 2019 Yamaha 242X boat. It's their top of the line Wakesurf boat, and I'm sure you're gonna like what you see. One of the things that sets the Yamaha X boats apart from other boats is they use a surf point system where the nozzles have been lined up in a perfect position to throw a big weight behind the boat with a real nice surf pocket. They've got the articulating keel system on the boat, which helps greatly with maneuverability at lower speeds. And all the components that are down here have been coated with a corrosion resistant material that keeps the boat safe from any kind of saltwater intrusion. There are some things that set this boat apart from pretty much any other wakeboard boat on the market. One of the biggest things is the swim platform on the back. It's a huge area that normally you don't get in any other type of boat. You've got Yamaha Marine Power, which is motors made to be in the water. Some manufacturers use motors that were made for other purposes. Yamaha is proven to be one of the best marine motors on the market. This boat is part of the E-Series, so the X stands for the surfing and the wakeboard part of this boat. The Yamaha uses, they call a surf point, where the jet nozzles are lined up perfectly to throw the best kind of wake. Plus, this boat has a triple ballast system in it, which you can adjust whatever type of wake you're looking for any type of professional to amateur wakeboarding or surfing behind the boat. The E-Series part of the boat gives you this great big bimini top with a sunroof in it. It's got a solar panel up on top that trickle charges the batteries. You have push button start on the ignitions. You got fly-by-wire throttles where there's no cable, it's all electronic. Plus you pick up the Yamaha drive system where you can program this boat to pull up or different speeds and hold at different speeds, and even adjust the ballast system automatically however you program the boat in. All the sound system is wet sound. So you've got wet sound speakers everywhere with subwoofers. There's a sound bar up top. You've got the tower speakers. They include wakeboard racks. There's a compartment you can put a porta potty in or use as a changing room. There's bow filler cushions for the bow area I'm in. There's a huge ski locker in the boat and storage up under all the seats. It's got an anchor locker. If you're looking for a surf boat, a wakeboard boat, you're not going to find anything really for the money that touches this Yamaha. All the features are standard, everything. The stereo, everything that's on this boat is all the way it's equipped. Another thing that sets the Yamaha 242X boat apart is the Connect system on this boat. This is a 12.3-inch screen that controls the functions of your boat. It's got the stereo controls. It's got a lot of information as far as fuel, water temperature, hours. The nicest thing they've done to this boat now is they put in a GPS. This is a great addition to the boat. You can either use a touch screen, you can scroll through everything with this joystick, and you've even got manual controls that function everything else on the control. It's a great feature for this boat.
Well, on behalf of BMC Boats and all my staff, we appreciate you joining in and taking a look at this video. We hope you've learned a little something. And if you like what you've seen and you want to see more, then subscribe. Also, we have professional people at the dealership on staff to assist you. We have professional demo captains to teach you just what you've learned today. So again, you can either go to our website at bmcboats.com or check out more of our videos. Again, thank you and see you soon.